What's up, guys? Randy here with Academia Christi with a special Viri Christi homesteading update. As you can see here, in a mere 3 days, from Friday to Monday no less, we've received our order of garlic bulbs from the Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds, Rare Seeds Company. Like them on Facebook, friends. Thank you so much for getting me my bulbs, and the USPS, I guess, for getting me my bulbs in 3 days. Crazy. So let's get in here and just do a quick unboxing, as I know all you nerds will love. We got our Nootka Rose, nicely packaged for all I know. These are going to be going in very soon. Those are our soft neck variety. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 bulbs in there. A little small. A little bigger one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 again maybe. Cloves, I mean, not bulbs. All right. Well, there's those. 4 of each. Overpacked times 2. 4 bulbs is not what they are. There are 8 bulbs. Wait, 2, 4, 6 bulbs. I will take that for sure. Thank you, friends, again. Maybe that's because they're a bit smaller. My Chet's Italian, my other soft neck variety here. Might get the early Italian for next spring and put some of that in as well. Really excited after making my first hot sauce. Really excited to get into garlic growing as well now that I am more aware of, I kind of had an idea, but now I'm definitely more aware of how much garlic I'll really be using and making all my different spices and things. So pretty excited for different garlic varieties. And finally, my music garlic hard neck. Oh, and how many of these Chet Italian do we have? 2, 4, 6 again in there. Those are white. These I think were called silver or pink or something like that. There's something about the skin of them that's a little tinted, and it makes them actually a little different variety-wise, type-wise. These Nootka Rose are pretty massive. I like the size of that. Those are the hard necks, as I said. I don't have a whole lot of time here, unfortunately, to show you these things, but they're not an overpacked. It doesn't say overpacked either, so they're letting me know even. But they're really nice size. I'm not mad about that at all. I'm very happy with really happy with what I got here. Thank you again. Baker Creek, not affiliated video here, of course, but or channel at all, but nonetheless, thanks. Randy, Viri Christi, out.